Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to open an AIB bank account in Ireland. Having an account with AIB allows you to manage your finances, receive payments, and use online banking easily. Let's get started. First, gather your required documents. You'll need a valid passport or ID, proof of address like a utility bill or rental agreement, and possibly proof of income depending on the account type. Next, visit an AIB branch or go online. You can start the process in person at any AIB branch or visit the official AIB website to begin an online application. Then, complete the application form. Provide your personal details, contact information, and the type of account you want to open, such as a current account, savings account, or student account. After that, submit your documents. If applying in person, show your ID and proof of address to the bank staff. If online, upload scanned copies as required. Next, verify your identity. AIB may ask you to confirm your identity via video call, phone call, or in-person verification, depending on your application method. Finally, activate your account. Once approved, you'll receive your debit card, online banking credentials, and other account details. You can now start depositing money, making payments, and managing your finances. Quick tips. Choose the account type that best suits your needs. Keep copies of all documents submitted for reference. Activate online and mobile banking to access your account conveniently. Opening an AIB bank account in Ireland is straightforward when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.